Hey guys, High Ticket Hijack. It's launching Wednesday, September 18th at 9 a.m. Eastern. Make over $1,000 per day in high ticket commissions. Do not miss this one. Hi guys, this is John Ray. Welcome to my video about High Ticket Hijack. Hey, first I want to apologize. My good microphone has decided to give up the ghost, so I got to record through the computer. The audio won't be that good, so I'm going to try to keep this short. High Ticket Hijack launches Wednesday, September 18th. It is a done-for-you system that will allow you to get high ticket commissions through webinars promoted by professional marketers. Before we go into too much of the product, I want to tell you all about it. The link below this video will go to my bonus page. I have some bonuses if this is a product that would interest you. And you can go click on that to my bonus page, look at all the bonuses, look at the information about high ticket. If you click on any of these orange buttons, it will take you to the sales page for purchase, and then you will receive all the bonuses when you purchase. You just go to your Warrior Plus. When you access your purchase, click this blue button to get the affiliate bonuses, and you will receive all of my bonuses immediately. So, High Ticket Hijack, what is it? It's an all-in-one solution for effortless three-figure commissions. It's cloud-based software. It includes everything to bank big selling other people's high-ticket products. It's a simple idea. You build your email list and generate high-ticket commissions by giving away a free gift, which are supplied to you, to entice people to attend and watch an automated webinar. And these webinars are given by professional marketers. They're good at what they do, and they will sell for you. And so instead of these small commissions everybody goes after, these will allow you to get some big commissions coming in while you build your list. So it uses something called straight line marketing. It builds your list while you make commissions without even sending that first email. So in other words, they opt in to get your free gift, but then they need to watch the webinar. And then that's done again by a professional marketer. And of course, you can email your constantly growing list as often as you like, but it's just not essential for making the same day profits from the new leads. The software builds you 2 pages combined for the sky high conversions. The done for you lead generation page offers a giveaway and a free training session that appeals to a wider audience so you can double your leads. Everything happens automatically. This is all done for you. New subscribers are added to your list, and then they're taken straight to the sales page. So it is a cutting edge system. Nothing like this has been out before for high ticket commissions. It's quite a product. It's cloud-based. You don't have to download anything. You're pre-approved. In the front end, you're pre-approved for 3 evergreen high-ticket offers. So they're already in the system. You can just plug them in and send traffic to them, and you're on your way. The hosting's included. There's step-by-step video training, and there's a huge selection of over 100 premium lead magnets to allow your people to want to get onto that webinar from what you're giving away. The pages are customizable. So how does it work? It's super simple. You customize the done for you pages with your autoresponder info and your affiliate link for these evergreen products. You pick from hundreds of the giveaway products. You plug in their free traffic strategies. The front end comes with some traffic strategies. Of course, you can use your own strategies if you use YouTube or whatever other methods of traffic you get. But they do have some traffic strategies built in. The prices and upsells. The early bird, $21.95. They might go to $19.97 for the first early bird. So you want to get in early if you can. Prices continue to go up. Unlimited version is the OTO 1. You can create unlimited high ticket funnels. Number 2 is the done for you funnels. 5 done-for-you high-ticket funnels are created for you. All you have to do is put in your affiliate link and hook up your autoresponder. OTO 3 is automatic traffic flow. OTO 4 is bonus page builder, always good to give bonuses. OTO 5 conversion boosting tools, and OTO 6 is the license rights to sell the product like it was your own. So key benefits, everything you need is included: the lead magnets, the money pages, and your top converting offers, again 3 in the front end. This is the fastest and easiest way to bank 4-figure commissions per day. And there's practically zero competition because everybody's promoting these low ticket offers. So if this is something that would interest you, again, the link below will take you over to my bonus page, which is here. And we have, if you decide to buy through my link on one of these orange buttons, you will have access to these bonuses. Bonus number 1 is access to VidChomper. This is a product where you can get free traffic from YouTube and use this to get more traffic to your high ticket offers. Bonus number 2 is 0-hour work days. This is a system where you can set things up and have autopilot income. You set it up once, you continually get the income over and over passively. Bonus number 3, access to easy passive paydays. Again, this will teach you to build passive profit machines for hands-free income. Bonus number 4, 0 to 100 in 24 hours, all access pass to this fast income method if you need to get some money in your pocket very quickly. That will help you. And number 5 is the launch jacking formula, complete course to learn how to launch jack new products that are being released. Also, you'll get all of the vendor bonuses that they are offering. So, High Ticket Hijack. Let's look at the sales page. How I effortlessly make over $1,000 per day in high ticket commissions with brand new secret underground traffic app. 0 list, paid traffic, tech skills or previous experience required. Complete step-by-step training and automated cloud-based app inside. Results in as little as 24 hours, even if you're a newbie. 100% free traffic included. The fastest and easiest way to bank 4-figure commissions. Again, why make commissions on $10, $20 products when you can earn, say, 50% commissions on a $1,000 product? It's a unique method with 0 competition. There's a lot of information on the sales page, some proof of income, some testimonials, a little bit of information about the back office and how things work back there, but it's a completely done-for-you system. So I'll let you go through that on your own time. But this is a new product that's going to change the lives of a lot of people because, you're going to spend the same time promoting a product. So why promote small commission products when you can earn big commissions? And again, these are done for you. And once again, the webinars are done by professional marketers, so they know what they're doing and they know how to sell. It's a great product. If it seems like it would be something that would interest you, go below this video, click on the link to my bonus page, click on one of the orange buttons to secure your copy, and you will receive all of the bonuses immediately upon purchase. This is John Ray. Thanks for watching this video, and I look forward to speaking to you again.